Hello students, welcome to RH Chemistry. This is the part 3 and the last part in 2019 final cutoff for dental colleges in Karnataka. If you have not seen part number 1 and part number 2 in this series, dental colleges in Karnataka 2019 NEET cutoff according to NEET score, please go through these two videos. This is the last video in this particular regard. So before this I have made 7 video for MBBS also, and after this I am going to do BAMS and BHMS also. BAMS and BHMS cutoff also. So thank you for your support till now. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and support. So before going to explain about the part 3, first you have to know this particular shortcuts for the categories. This already I have explained in the last video. You can go through that. So here only I will show you. You can take the screenshot or you can pause the video. You can see that. So this is about the GK, RH, GMP, GMPHK, everything. So first college you will see PM Nadagoda Dental College, Bagalkot. So in this particular case you can observe. So in this particular college, 1G category, 2 seats are there, 358 to 354. Like that. GM you can see 14 seats are there. 407 to 379. GMR 2 seats are there, 355 to 354. SCG 2 seats are there, 344 to 300. STG 1 seat 355. GMP 23 seats, 235 to 210. And OPN category 22 seats are there, 340 to 235. Second college you will see Rajarajeshwari Dental College, Bangalore. So here you can see 1G seats, 1 seats are there, so 391, 2AG 3 seats are there, 381, 265, 365, that is GM 9 seats are there, 446 to 490, 392, GMRH 1 seat 364, like that. GMP you can see 37 seats are there, 292 to 227, OPN 10 seats are there, 413 to 306. So it is filled. MA, nothing but minority linguistic Tamil, so 8 seats are there, 211 to 111. Third one, Rashtriya Vidyalaya Dental College, Bangalore. So here you can see 2AG, 2 seats are filled. So GM 8 seats, 439 to 420, SCG 3 seats, 316 to 310, and GMP private, so 315 to 269, 14 seats are there. GMPS 13 seats, 407 to 319, it is filled. Then SB Patil Dental College, Bidar, you can say in this particular case there is another category called GMPH, because GMPH is nothing but so general merit private, Hyderabad Karnataka, because Bidar comes under Hyderabad Karnataka. So 2AG 1 seat are there, so 433 filled. GM 2 seats, 440 to 434. GMR 1 seat, 401. SCH 1 seat, 338, like that it is filled. GMP category only 2 seats, 416 to 377. OPN category 520 and to 499, 3 seats are filled. The fourth one is over, SB Patil. Fifth one, Sharavati Dental College, Shivamogga. So here you can see 1G seats, 1G 1 seat 360, 2AG under 4, so 354 to 350. So 3AG 2 seats are there, 370 to 368. GM 13 seats are there, 450 to 377. GMR 3 seats, 368 to 347. SCG 3 seats, 305 to 286. GMP 22 seats are filled, and OPN category andre non-Karnataka students 23 seats, 389 to 285, it is filled. That is fifth one, Sharavati Dental College, Shivamogga. Sixth one, Sri Jagadguru Muruga Rajendra Dental College, Chitradurga. So here you can see GMP category 13 seats, OPN category 14 seats. See the last year cutoff for the NEET score. So 1G to 2AG, 2BG you can see 1, 2, 1, 1, like that. So GM 9 seats are there, 394 is filled. So like that, SCG 2 seats are there, 290 to 284, it is filled. So around 400 less only it is there in any categories. So definitely will get the seat if you score up to 410, 420 also this year. That is sixth one. Seventh one, Rajiv Gandhi Dental College, Bangalore. So in this case, remember, so here 1H 1 seat is there, 359, 1R 1 seat, 362, 2AG or 3 seats, 371 to 367. So GM 14 seats are there, 407 to 386, like that. GMKH 1 seat is there, 344. GMR 2 seats are there, 369. So SCG, so 4 seats are there, that is 323 to 296. GMP 22 seats are filled, and OPN category 23 seats are filled. So 338 to 264, 260 to 232, that is for GMP. Eighth one, Sri Hasanamba Dental College, Hassan. So here you can see 1R 352, 2AG 392, 2BG 388, GM 422 to 395, GMR 365, so SGH 287, STG 377, and GMP category 9 seats, OPN 9 seats, 255 to 219, 299 to 256. That is 8th one, Hasanamba Dental College, Hasana. Srinivas Institute of Dental College, Surathkal, Bangalore. Here you can see, so 2 AG seats, 3 seats are filled, 356 to 355. So GM 9 seats are there, 432 to 372. GMR 2 seats, 346 to 345. SCG 3 seats, 291 to 285 it is filled. GMP 42 seats are filled, 292 to 206. OPN category 9 seats, 449 to 311. And MU antandre, so general merit, minority linguistic, Tulu. So 4 seats are there, 187 to 130 it is filled. 10th college, Subbaiah Institute of Dental Sciences, Shivamogga. So in this college you can see ME category is there. ME is nothing but once again, so minority linguistic Telugu. OPN category 410. GMP category 42 it is filled, so 341 to 352. So SPO sports category 1 seat 373, STG 1 seat 366. Like the 2 age you can see 3 seats are filled up to 350, GM up to 373, 10 seats are filled from 418. So SCG 2 seats are filled 299 to 296. That is Subbaiah Institute of Dental Science, Shivamogga. 11th one, Venkateshwar Dental College, Bangalore. So here you can see 1G 1 seats 368, 2AG 2 seats are filled 362 to 357, GM 6 seats 380 to 379, SCG 2 seats 314 to 295, General Merit 9 seats are filled 248 to 219, OPN category 9 seats are filled 392 to 253. This is Venkateshwar Dental College, Bangalore, the number of seats which are filled. And it's the last college in this dental category. So last college, right? So in this case, Vakkaligara Sangha Dental College, Bangalore it is. So 1K 1 seat 350, 2AG 2 seats 393 to 389, 2AK 1 seat 348, 2AR 1 seat 368, 2BG 2 seats 400 to 369. So 3BG 1 seat 404, 2BH 1 seat 392, GM 14 seats 428 to 406 it is filled. Like that you can see GMR 2 seats 405 to 403, SCG 3 seats 324 to 313. Like that STG 1 seat 397, GMP category 23 seats 289 to 370, 22 seats OPN category 512 to 289. So this is the last part in this particular video, that is dental. So finally I have finished 7 part medical college in 3 part all dental colleges present in Karnataka. So if any 1 or 2 college left also, because of no data found, I have not explained those colleges. Yes. Now, so from next part I am going to explain about BAMS and BHMS. So those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share it to your friends also, those who need this particular information. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.